Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indoor dog potties that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the PetMaker Artificial Grass Puppy Pad. For almost the same price as the Fresh Patch and the Doggy Lawn, the PetMaker Puppy Potty Trainer, the indoor restroom for pets, has one very distinct advantage. You will only need to buy it once as it is completely reusable, not disposable. Unfortunately, synthetic grass doesn't really feel like the real thing, although it does look like real grass. The synthetic grass has antimicrobial properties, nonetheless. Composed of 3 layers with the synthetic grass forming the top and a urine collection bottom tray separated by a plastic insert, the PetMaker provides a more practical and easy-to-use solution to address your pet's indoor toileting needs. All 3 layers can also be easily washed with warm soapy water. While it is practical, you'd really have to spend some time cleaning it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fresh Patch Disposable Dog Potty with Real Grass. One of the best things about the Fresh Patch Disposable Dog Potty is that it comes with hydroponically grown grass that dogs and puppies will be naturally attracted to. This can simplify the process of house training while also giving your already trained hounds a more natural mini environment that they are more familiar with. This makes it a lot easier to go. Because the design is disposable, there's no need to clean and worry about messes, as your pet's urine will instantly be collected at the basement layer of the container. Unfortunately, it can be a very expensive proposition, as you'll need more of these once the natural grass have died out or have already worn out. At number 3, we have the Blyss Pets Clean Paws Indoor Dog Potty. The design of the Clean Paws Indoor Dog Potty is quite simple. As a matter of fact, it is so simple that you can technically make one yourself. Simply get a durable plastic grate or screen, lay it across a frame, and provide a shallow pan upon which to drain and collect the urine. But the great thing with the Clean Paws is that all these 3 elements are ingeniously crafted for easier setup and cleaning. It is not grass, of course, but the grate won't really hurt your pet's paws. Additionally, since the holes of the grate are large enough, urine and other wastes can easily pass through and into the bottom pan. There's no worrying about it slipping across your floor, too, as the Clean Paws comes with rubberized pads at the bottom to prevent slipping. At number 2, we have the PetSafe Pet Loo Portable Dog Potty. The PetSafe Pet Loo Dog Potty is suitable for homes and apartments that have no yard. Its portable design sets it up for both indoor and outdoor usage, so even if you are on the road with your dog, this Pet Loo Dog Potty would come in very handy. It features a unique waste collection system that solves spillage and odor problems that are common with other pet toilet products. If you are looking to avoid those early morning toilet runs or having stains on your carpet, consider the PetSafe Pet Loo Dog Potty. As a brand committed to ensuring the strengthening of the bond of companionship between pets and their owners, the PetSafe Dog Potty would help in creating moments together with your dog. The Pet Loo Dog Potty gives your dog the backyard it needs without space. And finally, at number 1, we have the Downtown Pet Supply P-Turf Portable Dog Potty. The Downtown Pet Supply's Dog Pee Potty Pad is a synthetic grass pea turf that is easy to clean, non-toxic, and has been treated with antimicrobial odor control. It is lightweight and mimics grass rather well. This feature of mimicking grass is rather essential because dogs mostly prefer to perform their potty business on grass. The Dog Pee Potty Pad by Downtown Pet Supply will, therefore, have your dog using it with little to no training. Because it has been designed to be weatherproof and portable, the Dog Pee Potty Pad can be used both indoor and outdoor, in porches and patios and balconies. It also has a drawer system that allows for easy cleanup and waste disposal. And with a replaceable turf, Downtown Pet Supply has designed the Dog Pee Potty Pad in such a way that you will never run out of turf.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon